Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. And yes, it's time to do the giveaway. So sit back, relax. You don't need no popcorn, no milk and cookies. This is going to be quick. So let's do this. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And yes, today we're going to do the announcement of the giveaway for the 3 items for the 5,000 subscribers. And thank you all for your participation. I want to thank everyone for all your comments. Thank you guys for a great year 2017, and again I look forward to a great year in 2018. Now we are going to do more giveaways like this. Next time we do one, it's going to be one big one instead of 3 little ones. Cool? So look out for that one. We will be announcing when we're going to do that. And also, if you want to help me to bring more product reviews or help me to be able to do more giveaways, make sure you check out the Amazon link down below when you decide to go shopping through Amazon. That's going to help the channel out a lot. Cool? All right, so now you're not going to need any milk and cookies. You're not going to have to go get any popcorn or anything like that. We're going to get in, we're going to get out. So we're going to go ahead and announce the winners from left to right. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get it started. So the winner of the Black Web is Queen Machiavelli. That's right, Queen Machiavelli is the winner of the Black Web. Now this is an 18,200 milliamp hour battery pack. Queen, listen, you're gonna enjoy this. If you decide to re-gift it, that's cool too. But listen, if you leave this in your console or your car, you always got power on the run, and this is pretty much like a quick charge. It charges up 2 devices as well. It has an on and off button, or you can leave it in the house. If you only have one charge, you can have one downstairs, you can have one upstairs, and it holds a charge really, really long. I'm telling you, this is definitely needed as a tech item. Okay, next. Now, hold on, we got to tell you what Queen said. Now, we're not going to read all the comments. We're just going to highlight what qualified you to be able to participate in the giveaway. Now, Queen said she was going to spend time with family, which is what I did. And her favorite tech was this keyring eyeball. It was an iPhone charger. Leave me a link in the description. I would like to check that out just to see what that looks like. And I forgot what she liked so far as my favorite video. I didn't get to write that one down. This is my cheat sheet because I'm actually shooting with the Galaxy Note 8 right now. So with that, congratulations again, Queen. Make sure you congratulate all the winners. I'm going to leave my email right at the bottom so therefore you can email me with your address so therefore I can send the item to you. Now remember, you have to be from the US. We're going to take care of the people who are international, but for right now you have to be from the US, and if you're under 18 you have to have permission from your family. We don't want no trouble. Cool? All right, let's go on to number 2. Who is the winner of the Bluetooth portable speaker? Let's find out. Okay, you all, as you've seen, the winner is Scott Norris. Congratulations, Scott. You are a winner. I know you can't believe it, but you are, okay? Now, Scott said that he was spending time with family making homemade dinner. Now, homemade, like homemade. Next time, invite me. I'll see if I can make it, me and the missus. Cool? All right, now, he also said that the Galaxy Note 8 was his favorite tech of the year. I agree, and I'm not being biased. Samsung, the Galaxy Note 8 is a beast of a smartphone, my best tech as well. So I'm with you on that, Scott. And watch faces. He loves all the watch faces I do, I believe, for the most part. And so he qualified. Congratulations again, Scott. I hope you enjoyed this Bluetooth speaker. Now let's move on to number 3 of the Google Mini. Who won the Google Mini? And before I get started with this, some of you all really wanted this Google Mini. We may just do just because before the just because giveaway, so we can give away a couple more. So if you want to see me do something like that, make sure you hit me in the comment section down below and let me know your thoughts on it. Cool? All right, so let's go ahead, let's check out and find out who is the winner of the Google Mini. Winner number 3. Okay, the winner is Yvonne. Congratulations, Yvonne. You are a winner of the Google Mini. Now, Yvonne said that she was spending time with family. Again, the Galaxy Note 8 was her favorite tech. I'm telling you, the Note 8 is off the chain, right? And she likes the Samsung watch faces. Many of you all like the watch faces that I do. I've also been trying to branch out and do some different videos, but thank you for your commitment to the channel, and thank you for what you bring to the channel as well. All right, you all, those are the winners. Don't forget to email me so I can get your address, so therefore I can send you your gift. So congratulations once again. Thank you for being part of the family as well as a part of the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. If you want to be notified when I drop more videos on this channel, then make sure you hit the notification bell. Cool? All right, you all, have fun, take care, and be safe.